Hey girls, it's Tuesday, April 8th, and it's actually warm out. Yeah, so Kelly did her video outside and said the rest of us should too. And I was going to anyways, so it's kind of nice out, and I don't have to worry about other people because I have my own yard to myself. And she also was challenged to climb a tree, and Laura said the rest of us could do that too. And I like climbing my tree, so I'll climb part of it here for you. And also, I sort of came up with a challenge to do the chalk a little bit. I helped with that idea. And it didn't end up being me who got it. Ironic, yeah. So, I'm going to try to draw a loser. I don't know which one to draw, but I'll draw one of you guys and we'll try to guess who it is. There's my beautiful artistic ability. I don't have much, but that's the person. And that's my hands. Very chalky. So today was the second day back at school from spring break, which spring break was pretty much awesome. But I'm not happy to be back at school. I didn't even really pay attention to any class today. I'm just really waiting for summer to get all 3 of my wisdom teeth taken out in June sometime. I'm not looking forward to that at all. But I can't wait for at least this week to be over. I don't have to go to school Friday because I have to job shadow. And I'm job shadowing some picture place in the mall. So that should be sort of fun. Not going to school an extra day. And I'm almost done with season 1 of One Tree Hill. Caitlin's letting me borrow it and we're watching it. And it's a really good show, guys. Well, I'm going to go inside and wash all the chalk off my fingers and my camera, so I'll see you in there. We just got our water camera back from South Carolina in July, and here are a few pictures from vacation. Today is draw a picture of a bird day, so I'm going to draw a bird. There's my bird. I have to teach you guys how to do something you might not know how to do well, and that was really hard for me to think of something. So I'm just gonna try to teach you how to do a back bend and hope that's good enough. So, first of all, you stand here and put your feet far enough apart to support you. Then you put your arms up and lean back and let your arms catch you. That's all there really is to it. Just make sure you stretch out a little before you don't want to hurt any muscles, but that's it. So, whoever I challenge this week has to have one of their pets in part of the video. Like, show off their pet for a little bit. And, let's see, that's going to be Kelly. You have fun with that, and I'll see you tomorrow, Laura.